Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I am going to be going through a few different gold shades that I have there. First off, I have my small journal here and I'm going to put down some water, and I have some, what are these? These are the aqua drops from Schminke, and I'm going to use my indigo. So I have a little bit of ASMR here mixed in with my mini review, and we're going to get started. Right here I'm just showing the Schminke Aqua Drops, if anyone was curious. And I did add a few layers, probably about 3, because these do dry lighter. Right here you can see everything is dry. Definitely make sure it's dry before you put down your gold. But here I'm just making some little test strips. And this first one I'm using is the Komorbi. These come in a set, but I'm just doing the gold color. Next up, this one is from my Mungyo set of 48. This one, as you can see, it's not nearly as opaque. It's definitely a little bit more, it's a tiny bit streaky, and then the color is just, it's definitely different than the first one. And the last one here that I'm showing, this one is from my Amuki set. I actually have 2 of them. I think there's a gold one that comes with their big set, and then I have the actual, their metallic set as well. And I would say this one is somewhere in the middle. You can see it's definitely a little bit more watery. It's not nearly as opaque as the first one, but it's definitely more gold as opposed to the Mungyo one. And I would say even after everything dried, which I will show, the Mungyo one probably had the least shimmer. I'm really trying to figure out which ones show the most shimmer. So I have the chunky one there is that Stabilo, and then my thinner pencil was the Brutfunner brand, which they are new to me. I just started using them. And right here on the end, those are, that's my Posca pen. I pulled out the gold one because, again, I just wanted to see how it would look against the indigo. And here is everything all dry. You can definitely tell that the first one looks the best, and my Posca pen on the end there looks really good as well. And I'm just showing close-ups here of what I was using. And there, see, the first one was the Mungyo, the second was the Amuki, and then the big one on the end was that Komorbi. And there's some more close-ups, all dry. And that is it for today's quick little comparison. I hope that you enjoyed it, and you can let me know if you have a better gold or something that you recommend. Leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.